so nice to see you. My name is John, and I just wanted to give you a tour of the studio today and tell you what we're all about. Every room is set up pretty much the same, where we have a piano with weighted keys, guitar amps, ukuleles. Every room has a Lysol disinfecting wipe station. We clean our pianos off after every use. So even before this whole COVID-19 hit hard here in Southern California, we were cleaning all the time anyways, so we keep the studio pretty clean regardless. Here we come on to this room. This is one of our piano rooms, and of course got the weighted keys, and sometimes we do guitar in this room, or you name it. But I'm going to give a little demo. This is another electric piano with weighted keys, and you can see we're doing a lot of reading. We're pretty big fans of the Alfred's Basic Piano Library. So this is a book that we do sell here at the studio, and we give it to all of our students that are starting out. Sometimes we even have adults that ask to take lessons at this, very entry level, and there's no shame in starting out with the kindergarten, beginning Alfred's level 1A. I think it's good to reinforce the very basics and learn from square one. Anyways, on to the second half of the studio. We remodeled the whole upstairs of this building about 3 years ago, and you just stepped through the bathroom where it used to be, and we turned it into a hallway coming into our band room area with the Hammond B3, and the pianos are in this room. And then check this room out. This is our drum room. We soundproofed this room, and we have our mirrored drum sets, which is very helpful in when we are teaching drum lessons, because the student can see the instructor and they're in unison when they're playing. So they're playing simultaneously, and it works really well. So our drum lessons pretty much take place right here. And follow me. This is our another drum room, and so it's not uncommon to be teaching several different drum lessons throughout the day. So for our overlap drum lessons, we're using this drum room. This is the Gretsch kit. The other drum sets were Questlove, by the way. So if you know Questlove, he makes they're called break beats, and they're really pretty awesome drum sets. This room's got a PA system. It's soundproof. It's got a bass amp, and it's got a guitar amp, and it's a great room to teach, even for a guitar lesson. We teach all kinds of lessons in here. And then come on over here. This room's really nice. We have a Marshall stack that we use for our lessons sometimes. This is also another upright piano that we use all the time for our lessons. So anyways, we do a lot of music here. It's just nice to have everything at your fingertips. We just have like the basic amenities, like we have our bathroom, we talked about our lounge area. Anyways, I think you guys have seen a majority of the studio and where all the magic happens, and we like to have a lot of fun here at the studio, and we hope to see you as a student sometime soon. And If you have any questions, give us a call, 562-856-1111, or give us an email at belmontmusicstudio@hotmail.com. And I hope to see you guys sometime soon. Cheers. Bye. Bye.